everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today, I'm going to share with you a tasty and delicious and very easy to make beef meatball curry. These are beef meatball and I'm using Italian style beef meatball. These are cooked meatball and they are frozen. I have a 2-pound beef meatballs. For tadka, 1 onion, garlic clove, 5 of them, 1.5-inch ginger, 2 green serrano chili and tomato sauce, half can, 7 ounce Kashmiri mirt and spices from masala dabba, 1 cup water, and we'll see if we need a running gravy, then we can use more, and olive oil for tadka. Onion, ginger, green chili and garlic cut into small pieces. And let's start making our delicious beef meatball curry. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. Keep gas on high. Bring olive oil, 1 tablespoon. You can use any vegetable oil. We'll bring cumin seed, 1 teaspoon. Cook it for like a 10 seconds. And now we're going to bring onion. Mix it. Turn the pan on. Keep it moving so it won't get burned. Cooking onion for 2 minutes. They start to change the color. And now we're going to bring ginger, garlic and green chili. Mix it well. After adding ginger, garlic and green chili, and we have a jumbo onion, I'm going to bring olive oil. 1 more tablespoon olive oil. So altogether 2 tablespoons. So keep it moving so it won't get burned. As you can see, the onions are nicely brown. Now I'm going to bring all the spices and we're going to bring the gas on medium. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, which is haldi. Salt to taste, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon, and you don't want to add too much salt because meatballs are cooked and they have all the spices inside. Black pepper, half teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, half teaspoon. Cook the spices along with the tadka for 1 minute. The spices are nicely cooked with tadka. And we're going to bring tomato sauce. This is 15-ounce can. We're going to bring half of it. So that will be 7 ounce. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, on medium gas, we're going to cover it with the lid. We're going to cook it for 2 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 2 minutes with the closed lid. I'm going to open it. Mix it. Tadka is fully cooked. Bring beef meatball. Mix it well. After mixing it, we'll add water, 1 cup. So mix it well. I need a little bit more running gravy. Add 1 more cup water. So altogether 2 cups. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to bring Kashmiri mirt. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri mirt. Mix it well. So it gives us a nice color. On a medium gas, cover with the lid, cook it for 10 minutes. With the closed lid on medium gas, cooking for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I opened it And I did stir it once. Mix it. Our delicious meatball curry is all ready. This is the gravy what I was looking for. If you want running gravy, you can add more water. And now we're going to bring the last ingredient, kasuri methi, 2 teaspoons. Rub it on my hand and sprinkle all over. Only reason I'm rubbing it, if there is a big strand like this, we can pull it out. Mix it again. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cover with the lid and bring the gas to simmer. Cook it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes on the simmer. Turn off the gas. Open it. Our meatball curry is all ready. Turn off the fan. Serving bowl ready. And we're going to dish out. Look at delicious meatball. This is very easy to make meatball curry. It does not take that long because meatball are pre-cooked and you just need to make a nice gravy. Let me share with you. Quick and easy and very tasty and delicious beef meatball curry is all ready. Please try it and you can serve with the roti, chapati, pulka, naan, paratha, and best of all, with the rice pulao. Please try this easy recipe and share your experience with me, how it turned out for you. Thank you, and I'm going to see you soon with another recipe. Bye-bye.